Hey everybody, today we have the kitty, the My Little Pony, the LOL drinks. Okay, so this is their sodas. They're different flavors. You can see this is a Rainbow Dash, this is Hello Kitty, and this is LOL. I don't know which one I'm gonna get today, so I'm so excited. So let's get on with the funness. I'm gonna see which one tastes better, the Hello Kitty or the Rainbow Dash. Here, can you please scoot over? Thank you. Okay, so this is the one I will be trying. I will be tasting this first. So let's try it. Time to taste the almighty of the My Little Pony. Okay, that's done now. Yummy. It's okay. It's not really cherry. It tastes like normal soda that has cherry juice in it. I want to see what the Hello Kitty one tastes like first. Okay, so I'm going to be tasting this one now. Hope this one tastes better. Purple. I see the difference. No, I don't. I think I like this one better. I like the Rainbow Dash Cherry Splash. Hello Kitty Fizzy Pop. It's like it's fizzling. It's about to blow up. Time to do the see, my voice is so loud. I'm making my LOL shake. The magic. That was magic. Did you see that? Yes, that was me. So I'm going to do the LOL now. I love LOLs. Time to do the LOL. I just found a clue. Don't really know what it is, but I found a clue. It's a trophy. It's a trophy. Oh, I'm not getting this one. It's a trophy and a flag. It says trophy winner. That's cool. Sorry there, I had to take a little drink. Time to open the next side. It's probably on the third try. Cool, it looks like a superhero. There's no clues on this one, so let's boogie on down. I found a clue. Nailed it. Nope. Let me open it. Wait, hang on. Gotta cut it. Wonder what I got. Oh, they're the cutest little ice skates. This means I'm going to get a good girl, a good person. Okay, these are the ice skates. I do not want to lose these, so I'll do it like this. Now, nailed it. This time I got a different little cup. Cute. I wonder if this one can pee. Time to open the next zipper. Is that all? I didn't get clothes. Nope, it's not all. The cat. Okay, that's that one's little bubble. Yay, I got a good one. I got a good dress. It's so cute. Just look at it.
Hold on.
Her little skirt, so cute. Now I'm gonna open the last but not least. LOL.
Don't use the scissors, honey. You
These smell like chocolate. Okay, now I'm going to open my doll. Yes, hang on. Can't look. I'm not allowed to look.
hold it up so people can see it though, even if you don't.
It's the cutest little baby thing I have ever
See this little baby
seen.
doll, not thing. Say it.
This little baby doll I've ever seen. She's the cutest LOL doll. Look at her. She has her little clothes on, her little cutie pie. She is Ice Skater. This is Ice Skater. Isn't she adorable? Need to buy more LOLs. Let's see if she changes colors. Let's put her in the cold water first. Hang on. How is she making the water? Her hair changed. I'm gonna put her in the. I like her. How does this LOL change? Her hair just turned. How did she just do that? Her hair just turned red. Now, guess what I'm gonna do now? I'm going to make her skate. I'm ice skating. I'm ice skating. I'm gonna put her in the hot water now. It just changed back. It's pink. Let's see if she pees, squirts, cries. Let's see. So what do? We have to squeeze her head. She spits. She spits. I'm gonna do it in the hot water now. Oh. I'm LOL. See if she squirts out hot water. Hang on. She squirts out hot water. LOL skating. I'm going to spray her in. I want her hair to turn half red again. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And drink more of this stuff.